Electric parking brake faulty proton X70 dashboard parking lights blinking. EPB, electronic parking brake problem. The car engine is running. This is the electronic parking brake switches release handle. Light not turning on. The problem with this car is that the parking brake blinking but doesn't release. The electric parking brake does not release when the parking switch is pressed. If you turn off and then restart the car engine to release the parking brake. I want to show you. I turned off the car engine. I turned the car's ignition switch to the on position. I started the car engine. The electric parking brake is released when the vehicle's engine is restarted and the parking brake is released. Look, there are no more electric parking hand brake lights. Now look, I'm trying to apply the electric parking brake, but the parking brake not working. What is the reason why the electric parking handbrake is not working properly? How to solve the problem? So watch the full video. Inshallah you can solve the problem too. I will check with the scan computer to see if there is a fault code, EPB, for the electric parking brake. The model of this car is X70. I will click on X70. Now I will click on red fault code. Fault code is C1024 automatic parking left brake electrical fault. Common causes of C1024 fault: number 1 left parking brake actuator motor, number 2 wiring harness issues, damage, number 3 low battery voltage, number 4 parking brake switch issues. See the parking brake light blinking on the dashboard meter. I pressed the parking brake switch but the parking brake did not release. Now I'll go outside the car and check to see if the parking brake is on the left rear side. Look, I've jacked up the left side of the back of the car. Look at the left side tire. It can be rotated by hand. This means the parking brake is not working on the left side. Number 1. To solve the car's parking brake problem, first check all the fuses in the car's fuse box. I checked the fuses, no fuses have blown. Number 2. Actuator connector, 2-pin, pin 1, motor plus, receives 12V to activate or deactivate pin 2, motor ground return. There is no problem with the wiring. The problem with this car is the left side parking brake actuator motor. How to change it? There is no need to do any settings or coding with the ECU computer to change the parking brake motor. I turned off the car engine to release the parking brake. Now I will restart the car engine. After restarting the car engine, now you need to press and hold the parking brake switch. The parking brake release mode is activated. Now I'm going to get out of the car. I turned on the parking brake release mode and turned the bearing wheel hub by hand. Now I will remove the electric parking brake actuator motor to replace it. This is a new electric parking brake actuator motor that I ordered for this car. I will install it. Disconnect the socket of the electric parking brake actuator motor wire. I removed 2 screws to remove the electric parking brake actuator motor. Now I remove the electric parking brake actuator motor. Now I will install this new electric parking brake actuator motor. There is no need to do any special work or rotate anything when installing the new electric parking brake actuator motor. You just need to be careful when installing it to position the 2 screws correctly. The electric parking brake actuator motor has been installed and its socket has been connected. Now I have removed this old electric parking brake actuator motor and installed the new one. The electric parking brake actuator motor is install complete. Look, the wheel bearing hub can still be turned by hand. Now I will enter the car. I will first clear the fault code with the scan computer by turning the ignition key switch to the on position. Fault code cleared. There are no more fault codes now. No fault code. I will start the car engine. After starting the car engine, check that the automatic parking brake is engaged. Now the parking brake light is not blinking. Parking brake switch light is on. I press the brake switch to release the parking brake. The parking brake is released. Check that the brake light is off on the dashboard. To apply the parking brake, I push the brake switch up and lifted it. Look, the brake is applied. After applying the parking brake, the EPB is no longer on the dash. Inshallah, there will be no more problems with the car's parking brake. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any problems understanding the video, please comment.